Welcome back to WeatherBug here on this Monday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson. Look at that national coast-to-coast forecast. Glad you're with us and making us a regular stop. Of course, the end of 2014 is going to be much cooler than what most of December was for many in the midsection of the nation. Got some rocky snow developing, and that'll continue here with some rain and snow in the deep south by about midweek. Could even see some snow as far south as Texas. So take a look at these lines of equal air pressure. Those are isobars, and notice how they dip in the midsection of the nation. It's that colder air, and what's going to happen is that a little impulse of energy will work through the Rockies, down through the plains, and eventually going to take shape over the southern plains by Tuesday and Wednesday. Could have a rain-snow mix right over the central part of Texas. Some heavier rain in the coastal communities, but this area of low pressure developing is going to bring some much cooler air to the Four Corners region. Could have some snow in the high elevations, of course, in the Four Corners region there as well. But an interesting week to say the least. It's not going to be quite as active on the eastern seaboard, which is good news for folks traveling, maybe to do some New Year's Eve plans out at New York City and Times Square. But it will be chilly, so you'll need that extra layer. Here's that 3-day precipitation forecast, and notice Arizona, we've got some maximums there of maybe an inch or so, a little bit more. Again, some of that will be in the form of snowfall. And then as this area of low pressure develops further late week, we've got some rain, possibly some thunder in the deep south, which could bring as much as 1 to 3+ inches of total liquid at that point. All right, forecast in terms of temperature shows the isobars taking a dip in the midsection of the nation, which allows that colder air to really settle in. So some of the coldest air we've had in several weeks showing up now. Single digits in Billings. And take a look at these overnight lows tonight. Sub-zero, Minneapolis, Denver, Billings. And again, those wind chill values will be much colder to the far north.